So recently, I've lost all motivation to work on my car. The reason, I don't know why, but today I decided I'm gonna get back to work on the GTR. We're gonna build it and make it a very fast car. And I have no clue what I'm doing, but we're gonna figure it out. So let's get started. All right, so as you can see, the engine is already out of the car. It also has been torn down quite a bit. So because the engine bay looks like this, we're going to focus our work on the interior for right now. And as of right now, interior is more of storage than an interior of a car. So let's get all this junk out. Well, not junk, but stuff. Got the boost controller out.